my sophomore year of college, I was on my way to voice and speech class when my grandma called me to let me know that Miss Kidd had passed away. I was devastated. I didn't want to go to class, but I thought to myself, I'm going to a voice and speech class in New York City at a college because of Miss Kidd. So I went to class, and we're like doing a weird warm-up with jaw releases, like, and I started weeping openly, and the class thought I was having a breakthrough. I was having a breakdown, people. So I ran out of class, I went to the library, and I pulled out Judy Garland at Carnegie Hall on vinyl, and I sat there and I listened to the whole album. Judy Garland was Miss Kidd's favorite because she too was a little lady with a big voice and a broken heart. Miss Kidd was one of the most exquisite performers I have ever seen in my whole life. I just wish more people would have gotten to see what I got to see. She's so much a part of who I am as a performer, but much, much more importantly, she's a part of who I am as a person. This is one of those songs that we sang in that office with the dusty rose carpets and the dusty rose blinds. So this one is for you, Miss Kidd.